Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World. Clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for November 5th to the 17th. November 5th to the 9th, we have this ridge building here over the Northeast Pacific, across Alaska and towards the Arctic. And this will favor a trough downstream here across the east central states, mainly across the Great Lakes in the Northeast. And we go through the period, and we see very little change. The models are good agreement as we go through the various models. So dry conditions are forecast for the west into the week, and then Pacific moisture will feed into the northwest. The trough downstream will favor colder than normal temperatures from the Rockies, central and eastern U.S. And during this period, moisture will be mostly confined. You can see here across the northern states, we'll have several clippers moving across the north central states into the northeast and mid-Atlantic, and there could be some lake effect snows across the Great Lakes region, of course. And we'll have also precipitation will be likely across portions of the southern plains Tuesday through Thursday as moisture streams north into the front, causing rain. There could be several inches of rain possible. You can see right here. Okay, we're going to look at the period now for November 8th to the 12th, and the flow remains pretty much unchanged. We have our ridge here over Alaska and the Arctic. We have above normal heights here in the west. Trough here remains across the north central states into the northeast, and models are good agreement. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures west of the divide, and I'm forecasting numbers of 48 degrees above normal. And then we have below normal temperatures across much of this region from the plains to the Atlantic coast, with anomalies of 4 to 8 degrees below normal. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for much of the western states, and probability of occurrence will be about 35 to 45%. And then we have above normal precipitation forecast for much of this region here. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. Then we go looking ahead to the next period. This is for November 13th to the 17th. And little overall changes forecast. You see, this looks, we have a broad trough across much of eastern North America to Greenland. We have positive height anomalies here. This is European ensembles. But overall, most of this is the NAEFS. But most of the models and ensembles are showing this kind of a pattern for this period. So for this forecast period, still forecasting above normal temperatures here. And I'm forecasting anomalies of 8 to 12 degrees above normal will be possible. And then we have below normal temperatures continuing for much of the central and eastern U.S. with anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees below normal. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for this area here. Probability of occurrence is 45%. And then we have above normal precipitation here. This might be actually extended further north, but I'm being a little conservative right now. I'm keeping it mostly above normal here, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for November 5th to 17th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.